you don't trust Thermaltake? It's probably not the best brand. I had to go with slightly cheaper because this was the only thing they had in stock in that store, and I didn't want to wait to ship like a different brand. I wanted the Corsair one, but they only had like Corsair in 550, so I went with the 750 Thermaltake. They used to cause fires. Oh no, we don't need more fires in Australia. We've already had so much wildfires. Okay, taking off the glass, guys. I will set this somewhere safe. Okay. Got all of these cables in here. RGB default. Power supply unit. Make sure you ground yourself with the wristband. It's crucial. I don't have a wristband, but y'all reckon I should wait for the wrist? No, you got it wrong. Okay, I'm checking out the YouTube video that you're sending me right now.
So a few years ago, TC, our managing editor, built a gaming desktop, but it's kind of out of date, and it's definitely not going to hold up for Battlefield 5. So let's build a new one. You can build a gaming desktop for around $1,000, but I want to go all out.
I want to show you guys the video too.
PC like this is going to be able to play most games at ultra settings. So what do you need to build a desktop? Well, of course, first you need a table. Preferably not metal.
Okay, first you need a table. That's what he's telling me.
Surface layer on top of it, a case applicator, an Allen wrench,
It's the worst.
to tighten up the wires, a Swiss Army knife, which hopefully has a Phillips head screwdriver in it.
Okay, he wants me to have a Swiss Army
last
knife.
but not least, an anti-static bracelet, which is to protect.
I don't have an anti-static bracelet.
These are the parts you're going to need. But more importantly, before we get there, we need to understand what these parts are doing and how they interact with one another. To better understand the parts that make up a desktop.
Just stop watching this video. Oh no, I recognize that voice. Please don't stop that video. Okay, guys, okay, which video I'll look up a different video. How to build a desktop. Alright, how to build a desktop step by step. Bitwit. This looks like the most watched currently.
Oh, hey Chris, how was the colonoscopy? Oh, poor little man. I don't know, something snapped off and it's just hurting. Hey, you know some dogs sort of look like their owner? What if pacemakers share the same traits as the patient? No, it kind of works, right? I mean, because like the Pure Base 600 is cool, right? And you're arguably cool, right? The case is super quiet, and you've always been on the soft-spoken side. Yeah. See, it's totally true. Actually, there's one more thing we have in common. What's that? Well, after the colonoscopy, I think I also support a 360.
I'm trying to build a computer. Why is he talking about colonoscopies?
Push-pull, or...
The Pure Base 600 from Be Quiet offers a tempered glass side panel, sound-damping material, and a highly versatile design. Ships with a pair of powerful Pure Wings 2 fans and intentional support for 360 radiators. Click the link in the description for more info. AKA your desktop processor and your main board, or your motherboard, because that's generally where I like to start in a given
Oh, they're not
build.
letting you to upgrade to tier 3. I have to check that out. That's weird. You might have to check next month.
Somewhat out of its
Sorry.
packaging. You want to make sure not to touch it unless you absolutely have to, so it's still sort of in a little box for now. But I've also removed the motherboard from its anti-static sleeve. And you'll notice there's a bunch of other stuff on this table. I'm going to go over...
Okay, I'm going to remove the motherboard first is what they're telling me. And let me move everything around. What is this? Do you guys know what this is? Okay. I have a table to work on right here. So I am gonna move the motherboard. This is the motherboard I have. It's a bit cheaper. I may have gone a little bit cheaper with the motherboard. to fit my budget. Screen dust filter for your PC. Thank you. You like my earrings? What CPU do I have? My CPU, here you go. I got the Ryzen AMD. This is what I got. Ryzen AMD 3600. Not bad, I'd say. Yeah, Ryzen 3600. Good, right? Good. I got a good one. I know. Okay, I'm gonna open this motherboard now. I'm so excited. Graphics processing unit. Just a reminder. GeForce RTX 2070 Super. This is what I have, guys. Okay. Taking out the motherboard. Gently, guys. Thank you. Yes, I do have a power supply. Thank you. Oh my god, don't tell me to drop it. You know, it's like one of those intrusive thoughts you have, like, what if I just drop it? What if I break it? All these thoughts are going. I'm opening it so gently right now. I'm sorry. Okay, I'm gonna get scissors. This is obviously not working out for me. Hi, Smash Out Zero. How are you doing? I am not gonna put water on it. The power supply is not in the case, which should have, I'm just following step by step the video. Ugh. Front of the motherboard. Thank you for the cheers, Guru Premier. Okay, I'm working on the motherboard, guys.
For everything. But when you take your motherboard